ARDX was trending heavily a while back, following a cluster of developments that, taken together, strengthened the company's long term commercial story, even as the stock's reaction left parts of the investing and trading community scratching their heads. Some of these developments include strong revenue momentum, phase three expansion and pipeline upside. Phase three, uh, in this case, is the phase three trial evaluating IBSRELA in chronic idiopathic constipation, CIC. Patent extension to 2042, a major de-risking event, and acquisition buzz and analyst upgrades. So right now, the company, or rather, stock sits at crossroads. The bulls are saying that it has nearly $500 million in revenue base, a clear 2026 product growth guidance, patent protection through for 2042, CIC Phase 3 expansion, potential M&A optionality, and the bears are countering with points like there's still profitability issues, still not emerging yet, or still emerging, just emerging, and especially volatility, execution risk in CIC trial, market skepticism lingering from past swings. Okay, so the stock is has been showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average, which underscores its underlying trend, is sloping bullishly upwards. We'll find out exactly how much it's appreciating on a daily basis as things stand right now. So it's the stock is down 5%. This is Friday, the 20th of February, 5.9, roughly 6%. Yeah, 6.23%. And the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it may remain stable, stable to stable at least based on this daily chart up till the 25th of March. Sorry, 25th of February. Actually, 25th of February. Okay, then after that, we're looking at further contraction, but it's indicating here that it might pick up a bounce from Friday, the 13th of March. There's no guarantee that that will be the case at all. Okay, so currently we have, let's see what we have, project what the projections are saying. We have, it has a pivotal projection here of $6.99. It was actually initiated on the 2nd of February. So it's saying here, let's see, $6.98. Okay, $6.98 for now. Okay, so let's see now let's get more about what's going on the stock. Okay, let's look at the 10-day moving average and see how it's behaving. The price pressure momentum indicator of the 10-day moving average. It might give us an impression as to what we should expect. Okay, yeah, here we can see volatility is expected to remain pretty flat, at least up to the 19th of March. Okay, for a fast moving average like the 10-day moving average, that's pointing to something. It may be an indication that even though we are looking at further declines, it may not really be a lot. You can see here between 6.74 and $6. That's not really a huge lot. That's something. It is something. Yes, it is something, but not as much. Not as much. Not as much. So it's the extrapolation seems the algo seems to be suggesting that it's not really going to impact the momentum that much. Momentum may still remain flat. So it may be a case of all of this going on, but momentum may remain tepid. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have on its 21-day moving average. 21-day, yeah, okay. Price pressure momentum 2. I didn't get what that. Okay, yes, that is equally the case. Pretty much flat as well, going all the way towards early February, and this moving average is losing 64 cents, roughly 65 cents every day. and there's a chance that all the other moving averages may equally remain flat as well. Let's have a look at the 40-day moving average, price pressure momentum 3. Yeah, okay, but on this one, it's not it's more what we should expect volatility, yeah, before the end of yeah, from now till the okay, well, in the very short term, that moving average, the 40-day moving average is expected to um well, it's actually expected to continue to depreciate to weaken as a matter of fact. So yeah, weakness is expected on the 40-day moving average. For some reason, it's yeah, something there's something there. Maybe it still has to plot some of the weakness that has already played out, possibly. What are the odds that we're going to see something on the 200-day moving average? So in the very short term, short to intermediate term, not a lot is expected in terms of momentum. But over the medium term, it's expected to we're expected to see something there. Okay, yeah, we can see here. That's why I can see here. You can see here that the 40-day moving average is declining. Yeah, it's going to get it. It's expected to reverse its uptrend. Okay, that's probably why. Yeah. The 200-day moving average is pretty much as well, pretty much flattish, but there is here as well. It's some decline is expected from the end of this month. So okay, it's a mix of things. In a very very short term, not a lot is really expected in terms of momentum, but the ripples of the previous yeah, there's some for some reason undercurrent, some medium, some current, some momentum may still play out over the medium term, but in the very short term, not a lot. But in the medium term, maybe we might see something there. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, let's just have a look at the 4-hour chart. It has actually played out. This 5% decline has played out. So here we're seeing the prospects of lower prices printing up till Thursday, the 26th. Okay, so volatility is expected on this 4-hour chart. Yeah. So all in all, we can just say that a volatile consolidation is expected from now till the 3rd of March. Okay, all below its declining 40-day moving average. So the stock is expected to trade below this moving average and not beyond it. Not beyond it, yes. And the 40 period moving average is also declining to prevent any expansion beyond it as well. So here the projections are saying 5.67, 5.92, 6.34. Let's see what the projections are saying on the daily chart. Yeah, we've got it. Got that already. 6.98. The stock is currently at 6.32. Okay, it's a pivotal projection. If it manages to close above that, then we're looking at the prospects of the stock retesting 7.19. So let's see now what's the probability of it retesting this 6.98. Statistically very high, higher than 50%, but it doesn't mean it's going to happen. What's the probability of it retesting 7.2, equally higher than 50%? What of 7.34, equally higher than 50%? Well, it's making there's hope there. What of 7.53, equally higher than 50%? All positive, all positive all the way towards 7.53, positive, um, above average, yeah, positive probabilities, encouraging probabilities. 7.79, okay, equally higher than 50%, slightly higher than 50%. Okay, let's see here. Let's see this one. 7.9, okay, unfortunately less than 50%. Less than 50%. Okay, let's see whether we can see the market grid on the stock. The market grid gives us a range of structure prices. Okay, so let's see what we have. The stock is currently trading at $6.32. Yeah, we have here the stock. This is where it is. Okay, it's now way below this market grid. So buying opportunity, it has dropped below this market grid. Um, the implication is that maybe a buying opportunity may have played out, maybe playing out, but at the same time, It may also mean that lower prices may continue, may go on to print. It may mean that lower prices may go on to print. Yeah, it may. Yes, at the same time as well, a rebound is something that can happen. So let's have a look at the 4-hour chart to see where it lies right now. Okay, the stock is equally outside of that grid as well. So what the bottom of this grid is 6 point. Let's get it here. 6.46, and on the 4-hour chart it is 6.55. Okay, so yeah, they are both resistances now. Let's see whether we can see anything on its 3-hour chart. Okay, yes, the stock is now let's see. Yeah, the stock is now at 6.25. This is where it is right now. So yeah, we can see 6.46 was what we saw. Those are now resistances above this is where those 4-hour and daily chart prices lie around here. So they are now resistances. So below it has not very much. To 6.09 is not a robust support. Not really. No, 5.95. Okay, 5.95. Okay, and maybe 5.95 to 5.68. We can say there is a decent amount of support there. So if it approaches these sort of levels, if things remain the way they are, then we are looking at the prospects of a buying opportunity. But I think things have since moved. Things have since moved, have since shifted. Even though it looks like the stock has dropped way below it's below market buying opportunity, but things have also changed as well. Things have also changed, so that this opportunity, this is a bit stale right now. It may not be that much relevant. So that's why we had a look at the 3-hour chart to see where things are right now. So let's see how all of this will pan out, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.